Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to check how old your Steam account is. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to store.steampowered.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select View My Profile to access your Steam profile page. Once your profile page opens, look at the upper left section of the screen where you'll find your Steam ID. This is a unique identifier that's crucial for checking your account age. Go ahead and copy this Steam ID by highlighting it and using your keyboard shortcut or right-clicking to copy. Make sure you've copied it correctly as you'll need it for the next step. Now open a new tab in your browser and navigate to steamid.io. This is a third-party tool designed specifically to provide detailed information about Steam accounts, including how long they've been active. The page will load with a search functionality prominently displayed in the center. Once the page is ready, click on the search bar located in the center of the page. This is where you'll input the Steam ID you copied from your profile earlier. Paste your Steam ID into the search bar and you'll notice a lookup button positioned right beside the search field. Click on this lookup button to initiate the search process. The tool will now analyze your Steam ID and retrieve all the relevant account information. After the page processes your request and displays the results, navigate to the Profile Created section. This section contains the exact date and time your Steam account was originally created, which tells you precisely how old your account is. This information is particularly useful if you want to track your gaming history or verify account details for any reason. And that's it. You've successfully found out how old your Steam account is using this simple method. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.